Deactivating Users. In this tutorial, we are going to have a look at deactivating of users in JIRA. In particular, we are going to see how you can restrict JIRA access to a user by deactivating his account. And we are going also to discover the advantages of this method over deleting of a user. People can join your company, and these processes should be organically reflected in JIRA. You already know how to add new users, and in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to deactivate users' accounts. When someone leaves your company, you want to block access to JIRA for this user while preserving all of the data related to him. And this is why you might want to deactivate the user's account instead of deleting it. There's another advantage of deactivation of accounts. It is that deactivation allows to reactivate the user's account once the user decides to rejoin the company, and all of his settings will be restored, and the user will not have to spend time to do it again. Let's see how deactivation works in JIRA. Let's go to our user management page by clicking GG and typing user. Navigate to the users who you want to delete and click on Edit. It will trigger a screen, and on this screen you could find a checkbox active. You need to uncheck it and click on the Update button. That's it. The user is being deactivated. As the consequences, the user will not have access to your JIRA anymore. Let's check it. Let's log out from JIRA and log back as Valera. JIRA will show a message that username and password are incorrect. Let's login back as admin. As another consequence of deactivation of users is that this user won't be able to be assigned any new issues. And try to assign it to Valera. JIRA will show us an error saying that user Valera cannot be assigned issues. While you cannot assign any new issues to the deactivated user, all other issues that had been created before the deactivation, they will persist. As you can see here, I have an issue where Valera is being an assignee, though in the brackets you can see that his account is inactive. What you also should know about deactivation is that deactivated users are not being counted against your license. Only active users are. So if you have, for example, a license for 10 users, and you have 7 active user accounts and 3 deactivated user accounts, you still will be able to create 3 active accounts more. It's fair enough, right? Let's have a look at another interesting use case related to deactivation of users. Let's go back to our user management page and try to delete this user, Yev, who is being a lead of a component in one of my projects. Let's click Edit and deactivate. You see, you get an error because JIRA does not allow to deactivate accounts of project or component leads. To be able to fix this problem, what we need to do is to go to the project where the user is being a lead of. This is my test project. I go to the settings and let's go to components. And here I see that this component has a lead. So I'm gonna change this lead to admin. Updated. Let's go back to our user management page and try to deactivate Yev's account again. Voila, success. That's it for now. And in the next tutorial, we're going to have a look at deletion of users. In the next tutorial, we're going to have a look at the deletion of users in JIRA.